Hi guys, Alex Schukay here at All Seasons RV in Streetsboro, Ohio. Today I will be explaining the 2021 Cedar Creek 311RL. This is going to be a smaller camper, so if you're not looking for an over 40-foot camper to haul around, something that can actually fit in most parks, because this is going to be a 35-foot camper. It only weighs 11,392 pounds, so most 2500s or bigger can pull this camper. So this is going to be one of our higher end campers that will last to 0-degree weather. And the reason being is these are hung walls. They're not vacuum laminated. They're not pinch roll laminated. So there's going to be zero chance of delamination on these campers. And they're actually going to wrap it in thermal foil on the sidewalls, your underbelly, your roof, and your front cap. And then they're also going to have a heated and enclosed underbelly and thermal heating pads on your tanks. And that's the reason why it will last through 0-degree weather. And this is house insulation, not foam insulation. So it's going to be better insulated for you as well. So the Cedar Creeks also have one of the easiest controls. So the only time that you really have to get underneath your camper is to hook up your sewer hose, because everything's going to be conveniently right here. So you have your galley tanks, your gray tanks, your black tanks, your hydraulic controls, your outside shower, your black tank flush, your water connections between your tanks, and then your direct line. And then you're going to have your battery disconnect over here. You're going to pull out this hose when you're ready to flush it with antifreeze for the winter. And then you even get an easy reel on here. So the easy reel is going to be a lot better because that 50 amp cord does get heavy over time. So all you have to do is when you're done loading and you're ready to go, all you have to do is hook up your cord right here, press the button, and it's going to wind itself up so you don't have to lug around that 50 amp cord all the time. And then as we venture over here, this is where your auto level is going to be. So you don't have to go inside the camper to do everything. Everything is conveniently located outside with all the rest of your controls. And they also put the batteries on the side now. So your battery hookups, your hydraulic, and then a manual override. So you can actually open up all the slides with just a push button outside. You really don't have to get into the camper till everything is leveled, opened up, and ready to go. So since they put all the batteries over here, your front compartment actually gets all this storage now. I'm talking lawn chairs, coolers, storage bins, anything that you can think of that can be put up here. Even if you wanted to put a generator, we can prep this and get a generator in there for you. So another fun fact about Cedar Creeks is they actually put the most cameras on a camper. So if you wanted their full camera package, they'll actually put a camera on this light right here. Then if you walk around on the side, they're going to put another camera on the opposing light. And then they're going to put a camera above your door right here. And then they're going to put a camera on the back. So you can actually have a 360 view. The only thing is you can only use these side cameras when you're driving. Other than that, you can use all the other cameras when you're just sitting at your park. And then you see right over here on the opposite side of your easy reel, you actually get a massive storage container back here. And this is where your central vac bag is going to be. So you have a central vac on the inside. And once that gets filled, this is goes into a bag in here, just like little vacuums used to. And then as you see on these doors, these are 2-inch thick sidewalls. So these are heavy, heavy doors. And they're all held up by magnets now. So when you open it, all you have to do is set it up. It's going to go nowhere. And then as we get to the front door, as you see, this is going to be a double wide door. These are going to be double wide steps. And these are spring assisted steps. So all it takes is just one finger and you can lift it up over the tile. And you can just push it up nice and easy. So it doesn't take much effort to bring up and or down. And these are interchangeable. So all you have to do is press this button in and you can move these legs up and down. So even if you're at a weird slope where one needs to be high, one needs to be low, you can always be flush and level. So let's take a venture on the inside. So this is going to be your massive living room. In here, you're going to get a nice hideaway bed. So this is going to fold out into a full-size bed. And then you get 2 automatic recliners because you know, sometimes pulling that drawstring, and sometimes they get so hard to push back in, then now these are going to be automatic. So you don't have to worry about trying to slam them shut, pulling on that string, afraid that you're going to break it to open it. And then another plus is they actually put USB charging ports. I don't know if you can see it over here. So you can actually charge on either side of the recliners. And then right in the back, you'll see that these have giant windows. So they have your night shade right here. You're going to lift that up. Then you got your day shade. So then once this up, you'll see that these are huge bay windows and they all open up, which is always a plus. And since these are frameless and tinted windows, all you have to do is unscrew these and they'll pop out. A plus about that is you can actually have these windows open when it's raining. You don't always have to close them unless it's some type of crazy tsunami rain. Then you are going to get a nice freestanding table. So the freestanding table, you get 2 regular chairs, and then you're going to get 2 folding chairs that actually are going to be located underneath your king-size bed. And then as you see, this does have a nice lip on it. So if you don't want all that storage, I'm going to try not to knock this decor down. All you have to do is slide that in. You got a smaller table. So in your kitchen, you actually get solid surface countertops on both sides. And then as you see, you actually get 2 farmhouse style kitchen sinks. These are going to be stainless steel. And so you do get that double bowl, especially when you're doing dishes. You can have one clean, one dirty. And then you get a nice new spray debris nozzle, so you can get everything out of there nice and easy. You don't have to make little funnels with your hands. All right, then right behind me, as you see, this is going to have residential everything. You're going to have a residential microwave. You're going to have a residential 4-burner stove and an oven that can actually fit a Thanksgiving turkey in it. So you can do all your cooking. Not a lot of people do cooking inside, but that's because they don't have the capabilities to do so. So now you actually get the comfort of what your home might have, and you actually do cooking inside. Then right next to it, you are going to see your residential fridge. So this is going to fit everything that you can possibly think of. You can get an ice maker down here below. Plenty of storage, plenty of room. Everything is digital nowadays, so it's very easy to use. We'll venture back over here. All Cedar Creeks are going to come with their big flat screen TVs. And then underneath, they're going to have their radio, which is AM, FM, Bluetooth, HDMI, and USB, an auxiliary compatible radio. And it's also going to be a CD and a DVD player. Underneath it is going to be your electric fireplace. So it doesn't run on gas. It actually does produce heat. And it does have an ambience mode as well. So if you want it just to look pretty, you can do so. And I think it has 3 or 4 different colors that you can change it. And then as you look above, you will see that you cannot see one AC unit in here. That's because these are 2 15,000 BTU whisper quiet AC units. And it is ducted throughout the entire camper. So this is actually a race car air duct system. So it actually circulates. It's not going to just hit at one end to another end. It's actually going to circulate throughout the entire camper. So it's one of the quietest AC units. You barely hear them. You barely see them. And then you do have nice fans in here that can circulate the heat from your fireplace, circulate more air in here. And then all the cabinets are going to be real wood, and they're going to be screwed cabinetry. They're not going to be stapled cabinetry, so you have no worries about these falling off over time. Your floors are also a 5/8 tongue and groove plywood floor. I will stop my feet in here because if I was in a 1/8 laminate and or a 3/8 laminate, I could potentially make a soft spot in the floor, which you don't want. So we'll venture on over here. So right here underneath your steps, this is where your central vac's going to be. So all you have to do is sweep everything over here. Just take your foot, lift up that. It'll suck everything into that area in the storage unit that we showed you earlier. And then they're actually going to give you a detachable hose. So you can plug your hose right in here, and you can suck up everything that you possibly could need. And then this cabinetry right here is going to be your smart technology. So this is going to how to control everything. This is going to control your slides, your awning, you hit your home button. You have all your master lights that'll tell you the percentages of your fresh water, your 2 gray tanks, and your black tank. That will tell you your battery level, your temperature, everything. So you can control everything through your smart tech. Underneath it is going to be your solar power. Cedar Creeks are going to come equipped with a 120 watt solar panel on top to help trickle charge your battery when you're not plugged in. And this is going to tell you how many voltage of electricity are actually coming from your solar panel to your battery. All right, let's make our way into the bathroom. So in the bathroom, as you see, you actually get real porcelain toilets. It's not a plastic bowl, so it's not going to stain as easily and it's not going to break as easily. You actually get linen closets in here, and they actually are quite deep. So you can actually fit all your washcloths, your bath towels, anything in there. And you actually do get coat hangers behind it, so you can put your robes, towels, etc. You actually do get a fantastic fan right above, because those stinky times you don't want to stink up your whole camper. Even a medicine closet to keep all your Band-Aids, medical equipment, anything like that. You actually get closets underneath here, and even your shower. It's going to be big enough for a person at my height, which is about 6'4", and I still got room to play, and even a skylight, so even your taller folks can fit in here. They even give you a bench seating in here, so you know sometimes you don't always have the capability of standing. You can also sit down, take a nice shower. So let's venture into the bedroom. All right, so your bedroom is going to come equipped with a king-size bed. It's a real king. It's not a camper king, anything like that. So it's actually going to be the full length of an actual king. You actually get windows on either side with your blackout shades. So that'll still show no silhouette of you on the outside. And they actually open. So you can get that nice cross breeze when you're sleeping at night. Then you are going to get a full walk-in closet. So your walk-in closet has multiple shelves. Even your Wi-Fi system is going to be in the back. We don't have it plugged in right now, but this is going to come with its own King Wi-Fi, which basically means it's going to come with its own data plan. So just like your phone has data, now your camper has data. AT&T is going to provide you the first 3 months for free. After that, it's only going to be about $25-30 a month to fully Wi-Fi your camper. Even in your closet, it is going to be washer and dryer prepped. So right here in this shelf, I'll let the camera move, and what they're going to do is actually remove this bottom shelf. So you're not going to lose any of your closet space. They're going to remove this shelf. They're going to shove 2 washer and dryers in here, so you still have the full use of your walk-in closet, your shelving above, shelving to the left, without any interruptions with having it. And they put a little fun picture right here just so you can see it. You do get a dresser right behind here. So you do have 4 drawers, and it will come equipped with its own TV. So that's really going to be it about the 2021 Cedar Creek 311 RL. My name again is Alex. Right now we do have an RV show till the end of next week. So if you do have want pricing on this unit, please contact us at asrvs.com, or you can give us a call at 330-564-0222. And don't forget to like us on Facebook, and happy camping.